Today in this video, I'm going to teach you how can you make a free quiz game and earn a living through it. The best part about this video is that you require no coding skills at all. In the end of this video, I'm also going to show you a free quiz game that I made and how am I earning money through it. So the first step is to open up your browser and type in Quick App Ninja. Here's the website, quickappninja.com. Open up this website and create a free account. I already have an account, so I'm going to log in. Over here you can see these different games that I made using this platform, and I'm earning a decent amount of money through them. So click on create new game and a page will load with different categories. 4 pics, 1 word, guess the picture, tiles, find words, chat story. Chat story is a little different, so I'll be making a separate video on it. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a guess the picture game. So click on guess the picture and then next. This may take a few seconds, definitely not 5 minutes, maybe 10 or 20 seconds. So here you can see this is how your game will look like. This is the design page. You can change the color, the themes, the number of coins that you will award on each correct answer, and everything related to your game. Click on the content label and a new page will load. First, you'll have to select the language that your game will be in, and then click OK. So when you'll scroll down, at the left side of the screen, you'll see a box. Over here, you are going to upload a picture. Now it depends on what category are you choosing. For example, I'm choosing sports, and in sports, I'm going to be making a quiz game on cricket. So I'm going to upload a picture of Shane Watson, the famous Australian cricketer, and I'm going to type in this a question over here that, for example, name the Australian cricketer. And over here, I'm going to type in the correct answer, Shane Watson. This is how you can upload as many pictures as you can, and you can make a quiz game on any category. Now, it can be sports, it can be geography, it can be politics, it can be anything. Now the question comes that how can you earn money through it? So to answer that question, I'll go to the monetization page. Here you'll see a few different options. The first option, as you can see, is AdMob, then Facebook, then Pollfish, then Google Play Store. So these are all platforms that through which you can earn money, and the most famous platform is Google AdMob. First, you'll have to make an account on one of these platforms, and then you'll have to link your account with Quick App Ninja. And through one of these accounts, you're going to earn money. An ad will be displayed in your application, and as many times your game will be played, and as many times your ad will be viewed and refreshed, you will earn a decent amount of money for it. Now I'm going to show you one of my games that I made using this platform, and you'll have a good idea about how your game will look like and where the ad will be displayed and how are you going to earn money. So here's the game.